Hey everybody, this is Kiki. She's the star of the show. I'm Danny, Donna's behind the camera, and we are forever dreaming. Today we're going to be talking about another TorqueLift product that TorqueLift sent out to us because, as a lot of people know, we're product evaluators for TorqueLift. So if you're new to the show, we do a lot of product evaluations, campground stuff, and truck camper stuff. So if you're subscribed, thank you. If you're not subscribed, you're about to become a subscriber because we got some pretty cool content. And we'll be right back right after this. Now we're going to give you another product from TorqueLift that we're going to talk about. And it's this Mojima right here. This is the TorqueLift Lock and Load. We did a review on the smaller Lock and Load Sidekick, but this is the big one. And what's nice about this thing is it can sit on the front of your hitch, which we have. So it's on the front of the truck. Now I'm going to show you this thing. I'm actually trying to really push down on this thing and it's not moving, barely moving, okay? This thing's made out of steel. It's powder coated, it won't rust. They call it the lock and load system because you can put anything, in this case we have a big generator on here that we lock down. It locks it, you load it, i.e. lock and load. You also have another locking mechanism that you can put on this side. So if you want to lock in your gas cans or any other product, you can actually lock it down. These things are adjustable, so you can raise and lower the center bar. Baby, if you come over here, let me just point out this bar here. This bar here is adjustable. So you can go this way with it, or you can go down. So horizontal or vertical, and you can go down to a certain height. So you can put your gas cans on this side, and that'll prevent people from stealing it. Or if you're a propane ready generator, you can put your propane tank there and lock it down also. It has the guide rod here, so when you're driving and you want to know how far away you're pulling into a parking spot, you have this, and this will come off, but we left it on there because it was very handy. So this product can be used for more than just a generator application. You can put firewood on this, you can put your gas grill on it, you can put a lot of stuff on this thing. The cargo weight on here is 400 pounds. So you can put 400 pounds of cargo weight on this thing and not worry about it. I guess the only thing you'd have to worry about is making sure your tongue weight for whatever your hitch has would support the weight that this thing can carry. So you can put it on the front, the back, you can put it on the back of your RV, you can put it on the back of your trailer. As long as you have your tongue weight will support it. This thing can go pretty much anywhere. It's a 2-inch hitch receiver. So it's pretty much universal. The lock on here is a high security lock. In the lock industry, they call this a puck lock because it looks like a hockey puck. So it's a high security key. It's very, very hard for a thief to cut this lock off. So you can rest assured that your product that you put in here, whatever you're using, is going to be locked up and secure. Okay, so the assembly was absolutely almost nothing. It comes out of the box built. The only thing you put together is the lock system, and it's very simple to do. The directions that it comes with is very self-explanatory. So with TorqueLift, they stand behind their products. They're American made right here in the United States, and they come with a lifetime warranty. All TorqueLift products do that. They come with a lifetime warranty. It's one of the reasons why we agreed to be a product evaluators for TorqueLift. So if you ever have a problem, give them a call, tell them what's up, they'll take care of you. The customer service is phenomenal. When you call them, someone answers the phone. So that's a big part of it. Go through TorqueLift Direct, through torquelift.com to order these products. A lot of times you'll get better prices on it. And all I can say is they are a stand-up company and they have products for a lot of things for your truck camper or your RV. You should check out their website. There's something on there that you're going to need. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching this part of the video. If you got anything out of it, or if you found it somewhat amusing, please like and subscribe. It really helps us out, and we'll see you on the next one.